My children, listen well. They say the sky is a pot. When it tips, the earth drinks. But if that pot is stolen, even the ants will grow thirsty. This is the story of the day the rain refused to fall. In Okuta-Aiye, the rain were never late. They came beating the ground like 1,000 talking drums, chasing dust from the air, washing the scenes from the rooftops. But one harmattan morning, the sky sealed its lips. No rain, no dew, just sun, dry as a corpse. At first, the elders laughed. The sky is just resting its wings, they said. But moons passed, and the laughter dried too. The yams, leaves withered into clenched fists. The wells became hollow mouths. And the strangest thing, people's dreams began to vanish. They slept but woke up with minds as empty as calabashes left in the sun. One day, so hot even the lizard lay flat on their bellies, a figure walked into the village. It was Taye the Wanderer, 10 years gone. Over his shoulder, a black gourd burned in crimson cloth. The children ran ahead shouting, "Taye has come! Taye today! Taye has come! Taye oyoyo!" Mama Omiye, the midwife, watched him. "That gourd," she murmured, "smells of stolen thunder." In Okuta-Aiye, the talking drums only spoke during storms. But 3 nights after Taye's return, it spoke without a drop in the sky. "The sky has been bribed. The thief walks among you. Water will not fall until the debt is paid." The village shook with fear. Whispers circled like vultures. Old grudges rose like weeds. Mama Omiye noticed something worse. Every child born during the drought was silent. No cry, no laughter, eyes like ancient stones. She went to Taye's hut. The gourd sat in the corner, sweating drops of water, in a room as dry as bone. Taye's voice came out low and shaky. "I have seen where the rain is kept, Mama. I touched it, and I stole it." He told her of the rain spirit's courts, silver rivers that floated in the air, clouds that beat like hearts. He stole a piece of it, sealing it in his gourd. "The only way to release the rain, Mama," he said, "is for the thief to give up the thing he loves most." Mama Omiye's voice shook. Her hands trembled as she touched him and asked, "And what do you love most, my son?" Taye's eyes darkened. "My memories of this place, of my people, of you." The next morning, the village gathered at the dry riverbed. The talking drum roared. "Pay the debt, or bury your bones in dust." Taye stepped forward, looked at the faces he loved. Friends, family, Mama Omiye. He knelt, raised the gourd, smashed it against the rock. Clouds swelled, lightning flashed, the sky split open, and the rain came. The rain came dancing down. It kissed the dust, filled the river, clung to the skin like joy. The people danced, the people sang, but Taye stood still. His eyes searched the crowd with the emptiness of a stranger. Mama Omiye touched his cheek. "You have saved us. You have saved your village, my son." He smiled politely, then walked into the curtain of rain and was gone. The rain remembers, the earth remembers, but the giver forgets. The rain remembers, the earth remembers, but the giver forgets. The rain remembers, the earth remembers, but the giver forgets. The giver forgets. The giver forgets. My children, that is the tale of the day the rain refused to fall. If it touched your heart, let it rain blessings on this channel. Do like, share, and subscribe. And remember, in every drop of kindness, the sky smiles again. Till we meet again, I remain Auntie Ngor, your favorite storyteller. Bye for now.